Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, I decided to create a little small love vignette. So let's jump into the video. Remember that all the items that I'm using to create this vignette will be listed in the description box below. They're mostly from the Dollar Tree. So here, what you see me doing is just moving stuff around basically until I like the placement. So I think I'm pretty much liking this. I'm gonna go ahead and set this up where I'm gonna place it, and let's get ready for the reveal. I really think this vignette came out warm and absolutely gorgeous. So I hope you enjoyed the video just as much as I enjoyed creating it. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.